Today I'm going to be making a quick egg salad with a Mexican twist, and this is perfect for sandwiches, to make into little tacos, to put it over your tostada. It's one of those simple meals that I absolutely love, and the best part is that my kids love it too. To the pot of boiling water, I'm going to add 1 dozen of eggs. I'm going to place the lid over my pot and continue to boil these eggs for 11 minutes. Perfect. Our eggs are ready. Now we're just going to place them into a bowl of ice water. Perfect. Now I'm going to allow my eggs to cool for a good 8 minutes. To your bowl, you're going to add 1 tomato, half a serrano, 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeños, 1/4 of an onion, about 2 tablespoons of a purple onion, and a small bunch of cilantro. One of the things I'm going to say is make sure that everything is chopped finely, and when you slice your tomato, remove all the inside, all the juicy stuff, remove it for this particular recipe. 2 tablespoons of jalapeno pickle juice, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to start with half a teaspoon of salt, and then we can adjust as we go. Perfect. Now we can peel our eggs. Our eggs are peeled. Now we're going to add them in there. And you can mash them however you want. I just start breaking the eggs down like this. I wish I can tell you this lasts in the fridge for a bit, but in my house, as soon as I'm done making it, it's done. I know I have a lot of singles watching, and this will keep in your fridge for a good 5 to 7 days because we're using that vinegar from the jalapeños. You should be set. And even if you want to leave a few of the egg white pieces like this, you can. That gives you a really good bite. I also saved some of our pico de gallo right here, and this is for garnish. So if you're having a brunch moment, or you're having comadre time with your friends, this is how you can present it. Sprinkle a little bit of green onions. And then I'm going to serve this exactly how I like to enjoy it, and how when we're having a movie night, the boys love to eat it this way too. You can stuff your egg salad into a bolillo. Just make sure you toast it a little bit first, but in a croissant is my absolute favorite. If you love egg salads, you're in for a treat. It has a really good creaminess, a good little crunch from the pico de gallo, and the softness from the bread and the eggs is just a perfect combination. This is perfect for lunch. This is perfect for a late snack or for any occasion.